Hello guys, it's Dale here with the Daily Levels commentary for the 19th of September 2017. Let's have a look at the Eurodollar, and we were discussing this long level right there at our forum, and I decided not to take that long level for two reasons. The first reason is this not a really strong buying activity right there. And the second reason, the stronger reason for not going into that long trade right there was this point of control of this whole area. And as you can see, exactly what I was afraid happened. The price shot past this support zone and went right to the point of control right there, which worked as a magnet for the price to come back to. So it was good we didn't enter that trade. And as far as current levels are concerned, there are only two levels that I like to trade. One is a long level at 1882. It's older level, and it's based on this sideways price action in which those very heavy volumes got accumulated. You can see that right after this volume accumulation there was strong buying activity, indicating that those volumes were volumes of strong buyers accumulating their buying positions in this area, also in this area. So I'll be waiting for a pullback and go long from there. Apart from this long level, there's also a short level that I like to trade. It's also an older short level from 2016, and the reason for that short level is those heavy volumes that got accumulated in this price area right there. And you can see that after this volume accumulation there was a strong sell-off, indicating that those volumes were most likely volumes of strong sellers. So I'll be waiting for a pullback to this area and go short from there. Let's have a look at the Australian dollar US dollar. It was quite a busy day there. The first short level got hit soon before the macroeconomic news series on the Australian dollar US dollar. I wasn't trading the Australian session because of that reason, but if you were at your computer and if you were trading, it was best either not to open a position or close the position right there before the news series. This reaction was the actual reaction to the news, so you probably didn't take that short level at 79.91 because it was hit during the news. The third level that we had was at 80.06, and you can see that there was pretty nice and sharp reaction to that level. I still don't have a profit from that trade, but hopefully we'll see a profit very soon. Right now you should have your position secured above the reaction, so that should be a no risk trade right now. And there is one level that hasn't been tested yet, and that level is a short level from 80.24, and the reason for that short level is accumulation of those volumes in this price action area. And you can see that after this volume accumulation there was a very strong sell-off yesterday, indicating that those volumes were volumes of strong sellers. So hopefully there will be a pullback to this area, and I think that it will be a nice opportunity for us to enter our short trades from there. Let's go into the US dollar, Canadian dollar. There are two very nice long levels that I like to trade. The first one is at 22.34, and it's based on this significant volume cluster that was accumulated during this strong buying activity yesterday. You can see that it happened in this sideways price action area, and I think that those volumes were volumes of strong buyers that were adding to their positions and pushing the price upwards. So let's hope for a pullback to this area, and I think that it will be a nice opportunity for a long trade from there. My second long level is at 21.98, and you can see some pretty significant volumes right there, and also on the weekly cumulative profile right there. This means that many positions, many probably buying positions, were accumulated in this area, and if there is a pullback to this area, I think that those strong buyers that were accumulating those positions will be defending those positions, and that they will push the price upwards once more. Let's go into the US dollar Japanese yen. There was one long level that I wanted to trade right there. Unfortunately, the price turned a little bit sooner with pretty significant reaction, so I discarded that long level. And apart from that, I only have one long level that I like to trade, and it's a long level at 110.88. You can see that there is a gap from the market open, and that gap still hasn't been closed, which is pretty weird. And you can also see some pretty heavy volumes accumulated in this area. I think that those volumes were volumes of strong buyers that are driving the price upwards right now. And I think that if there is a pullback to this area, those strong buyers that are present in the US dollar Japanese yen, you can see that there is a strong buying activity. So I think that those buyers will be aggressive again in this area, will defend their positions, and they will push the price upwards once more. So guys, those were today's intraday levels. I'm looking forward to seeing you tomorrow, and until then, happy trading!